Hi, this is Rakesh Kabra, and in this video we will discuss how to compute new profit sharing ratio and sacrifice ratio in case of admission of a new partner. And in this video we have covered the third condition, and in this condition old partners will sacrifice for the new partner in unequal ratio. When old partners sacrifice in unequal ratio for the new partner. Now let's see how we will compute new profit sharing ratio and sacrifice ratio in this condition. Let's take one example. Suppose there are two partners A and B. A and B, and their profit sharing ratio is 3:2, and they admitted Mr. C as a new partner for 1/4 share in firm's profits, and C got this 1/4 share from A and B in 3:1 ratio. So this is the sacrifice ratio. This is sacrifice ratio. So C got this share from A and B in unequal ratio, that is 3:1. Now let's see. On the basis of this sacrifice ratio, first we will compute age sacrifice and B's sacrifice. Then after we will determine age new share and B's new share. So let's see age sacrifice. Age sacrifice. C's share 1/4, and its age sacrifice ratio is 3:1. So C's share 1/4 and its 3/4. Sacrifice ratio is 3:1. It means 1/4 and it's 3/4 given by A. So age sacrifice is 3/16. And let's see B's sacrifice. C's share 1/4 and it's 1/4 given by B. So B's sacrifice will be 1/16. So this is age sacrifice and this is B's sacrifice. And now on the basis of these sacrifice we will compute age new share and B's new share, and for that we will subtract these sacrifice from their old share. So let's see age new share and B's new share. So age new share, so first we will take age old share, that is 3/5, and now we will subtract age sacrifice, and we know that age sacrifice is 3/16. So we will subtract 3/16. 3/16. Now LCM 80. So 5 16s are 80 and 16 3s are 48, and 16 5s are 80 and 5 3s are 15. So let's see age new share. So 48 minus 15, it will come 33/80. So this is age new share. And let's see B's new share. B's old share was 2/5 and minus B's sacrifice, that is 1/16. Again LCM will be 80. So 5 16s are 80 and 16 2s are 32, and 16 5s are 80 and 5 1s are 5. So B's new share will be 27/80. So this is B's new share. And C's share we know 1/4, but we will adjust C's share according to age new share and B's new share, and for that we will multiply both numerator and denominator with 20. So 21s are 20 and 24s are 80. So this is the C's adjusted share. So in this manner the new ratio among A, B and C will be 33:27:20. So this is the new share between among A, B and C. 33:27:20. Let's rewrite again it's not visible. So again I am writing here the new share among A, B and C is 33 is to 27 is to 20. So this is new share, and the sacrifice ratio is 3 is to 1, and this one is the new share among A, B and C. I hope you understood how to compute new profit sharing ratio and sacrifice ratio under this third condition. I hope you are liking this video.